In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Regment Pandadoc. Start by opening Pandadoc and going to the Documents area. This is where you can create new files and manage anything you have already made. Once you are there, find the Create button with the plus icon. Click it, then choose Templates. Using a template is the fastest way to build an agreement because it gives you a ready-made structure and common legal sections that you can adjust. Next, use the search bar and type Agreement. You will see a list of agreement-style templates. Select the one that best fits what you need, based on the layout and the type of terms included. After you choose your template, click Use this template. This opens the template in the editor, where you can customize it before you send or publish it. Now it is time to edit the content. Click directly into the text blocks to modify the terms, sections, or wording. Move carefully through each area to make sure the details match your situation, such as the scope, timelines, and any conditions. On the right side, open Variables. Variables are helpful because they autofill repeated information, like a company name, a client name, or an address. Using variables also reduces mistakes, since you update the value once and Pandadoc fills it everywhere it appears. After the text looks correct, add the signing elements. Click Fields, then drag the signature and date blocks into the correct places on the document. Place them near the signature lines or wherever signing is required. Take a moment to align the fields neatly so they are easy to find and complete. Clear placement helps recipients sign faster and prevents missed fields. Finally, add your recipients. Make sure each person is assigned to the correct fields so the right signer signs the right spot. When everything looks ready, click Send. Review the final details, then choose Publish to finish the process and make the agreement ready for use. That covers everything you need to know.